What's up, gang? It's your boy Shakil Sama with a big banger on how to use the simple trading strategy on your phone. Let's kill it, and we're looking at Nasdaq. Now, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe, like the video, and comment down below because this is gonna be real fire, guys. You know, it's gonna be super fire. You're gonna learn a lot. So, firstly, guys, I'm gonna start on daily, right? You can see I'm using MetaTrader 4. I'm using TradingView. And I started on the daily. As you can see right on top here, I'm on the daily and I'm looking at US 100, Nasdaq 100. So firstly, what I'm going to identify is you have to use your trend line to identify the major trend. What is happening on the daily? As you guys can see, this is a uptrend, and we can clearly see it has as well a ascending channel here type of thing. And this looks at we can possibly look for buys. However, that's the major direction, right? Doesn't mean that we can't look for sells on the lower time frame, but what I'm looking is that we can see the direction is ascending. So once you find your direction, you go down to the lower time frame and you're gonna dissect much more. So we're gonna drop down to the 4 hour. Once you come to the 4 hour, right, you can look for finer details in is there other trends there possibly. And the one thing I saw is that we broke down this trend over here. You can see that that's a trend that's been broken. So we can clearly see we are clearly in an uptrend. Even the lower time frame has confirmed that we're going to continue going higher. For what I definitely see is that, as you guys can see around, I'll show you guys here. Let's see what I'm showing you guys. Around this areas, you can definitely see that market was in a downtrend here, right? However, it broke out impulsively to the upside on the fall, and now it's clearly closed out with a major candle, bullish candle there over this area, broke out, and now it's coming back for a retest. So what we're looking for is possible that now that because we broke out this downtrend, we're fully bullish now. We're looking for a retest around this area, then to continue going higher. So what we'll do is we drop down to the low time frame, right? And we'll go all the way down. And now we can see even over here we have another trend happening here, which indicates that we have a uptrend. So what are you looking for? You're initially looking for buys because the market is showing you we have an uptrend, and we're coming for a trend line touch, which is happening, if I'm correct, on the 1 hour. You can see it much more clearer there, that we have what I call a retest possibly happening. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Let's just go back to where I was. Chart layout, winning streak should come back. Yep, there we go. Yeah, so as you can see that if we move down to the 1 hour again, right, we should have that retest happening, as I was saying there. So the retest is happening on the 1 hour. What you're going to wait for is market to come test a support. Where's our recent support resistance? As you can see, here is a level around this area that market possibly can come test, right? So what I'll do is I'll put down my nice support over there, right? That's my support. So I'm looking at market come testing back down, so break above, tested, and what we're looking at around this area to look for a possible buy to the higher side. And if you go down to the 50 minute, you're going to see some sort of pattern at that area, which means that we can possibly continue going up. So you see this pattern over here is what we can use to go higher. And what pattern is this? This is a bullish flag. A bullish flag means that we can possibly go higher. So identify the bullish flag over here. And once this market, if you want to be very safe, you know, you want to rather wait for market to show you direction. If market breaks out, tests, then you take a buy. If not, you just wait for the market to come test the third touch, and then you start buying higher. That's what you can do. What I'll do is I'll wait for market to come all the way back down to this area, around this area here, or if it breaks out, retest, and I'll start looking to take a buy all the way higher. Basically, that's how we analyze the market, guys. As easy as that. It's basically what I just explained to you guys. So from this area, we're looking to take a buy higher. And of course, you want to target the next highs, which will most likely be, if you go to the 4 hour, you'll see that highs nice and clear is the highs of this over here. That's where you want to target all the way there, and that's where will be our target basically. So you can see how that market can possibly go all the way high there. Yeah, guys, that's how you analyze on your phone, as easy as that. Analyzing Nasdaq on your phone is very easy, guys. Just start on the daily, identify a trend, 4 hour to maybe go deep into that trend, and then 1 hour for any counter trends as well as patterns, and then 50-minute even some more detail for the continuation patterns to show us either reversal patterns or continuation patterns. I hope this video makes much more sense to you guys. Please do like, comment down below, and I'm signing out, Shakil Samai here.